All right, for a while now I've had a problem with my faucet. This is in a half bath. This is actually a Moen. It was a good brand, I thought, but it just stopped working. For years we thought maybe there was a pressure system problem with the water, but after I took everything apart today, we've been in this house now 17 years, no water was coming out of it. I was able to disconnect everything in the back and just have the lines hooked up to the water source and turn it on, and it turns on full blast. So the problem is in this mechanism right here. Now, I don't think per se that it's, I've never used per se before in a video, but per se, the water is actually forced into this tiny little hole in the bottom here, okay? And that I was able to blow air and water through fine, okay? I don't think that's where my problem is. I think my problem is in this thing. This right here has a tiny little hole that the water gets shoved into, so that when you twist your handles, water comes up from the bottom, you twist your handles and it forces it out this hole. Well, the problem is, you can't really see real well in this video. This hole is all corroded and there's all kinds of contaminants in there, and I can't clean that hole out. Plus, I don't know the condition inside of these lines, and I can't get in there to clean it. Now I can boil it, and that may help a little bit with maybe some CLR. But then I also have the cartridges to replace. And rather than do all of that, since I need this thing up and running smooth by next weekend, I just bought a new faucet. This is a Delta Eldrin. It looks similar, but this will just kind of get me going for now. I may save these parts and actually do some cleaning on these. I don't know, I may just throw them away. But anyway, yeah, that's a really tight spot. Anyway, let's compare them. All right, straight out of the box, this comes pretty much all together already. So all I gotta do is take this box off and put it on there and hook it up, and I think we're in business. Huh, let's see, what else is in this box? A drain. I don't need to replace my drain. My drain's okay. As long as it don't have some kind of funky thing that attaches to this, I think I'm just gonna use what I got. Yeah. Okay, we'll look into it. All right, we're in business now. So, I'll be honest, this is the first time this thing has worked to full potential since we've been in here. And yeah, I think it was the faucet the whole time. So, hooking this stuff up was super simple. You just got a couple of things to tighten. And honestly, the only tool I needed was this right here. Adjustable. I just went ahead and grabbed it and twisted it when I couldn't physically touch it no more. And I didn't install these. I don't need to. I've already got a working sink drain in there. So yeah, we're gonna call that done. Cool deal. Thanks for watching.